So first you're going to want to separate the beans, get rid of all the bad beans, get rid of all those. So these are going to be the type of beans you want to take out when you're cleaning them. You don't want any of these broken ones or just not right looking ones, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so you can salt as much as you really want, honestly, because you can always add salt later to the beans, depending on what you want to do with them. So, yeah, I like to put a lot of garlic, pepper, and cumin too, if you have it, is good. We're going to go ahead and fill it up until it's just over all the ingredients. So you're going to want to cook it on high until it starts to boil. So you can see now it's starting to boil. Now is a good time to go ahead and lower the heat to about 1.5. Now you're going to want to, let it cool down a little bit so it doesn't boil over the top. But basically, once it's done going crazy, you're going to want to cover it and you're going to want to leave a small gap right there so that the steam can escape. Now you're going to keep it on about 1.5 for about 4 to 6 hours, depending on how low and how long you want to keep it cooking. And you're just going to want to check on it periodically. And that's it. Always wanting a snack. But this is about 3.5 hours later, and there you have it.